Hello everyone and welcome back for a new Databricks video. In this video, we are going to see how to synchronize users and groups from your Azure Entra ID directly into your Databricks account. Why is this important? Because syncing users and groups means Databricks always knows exactly who your people are and what teams they belong to. Instead of adding and removing users by hand, it happens automatically when someone joins the team or it leaves the company. This reduces mistakes, saves admin time, and prevents ex-employees from keeping access by accident. It also makes audit a lot more easier because access decisions are tied to one central place, which is Microsoft Entra ID. So let's get started. All right, so if you want to follow along, you need to have access to Microsoft Entra ID. Basically, you need permissions to create enterprise application. This role might be, for example, Cloud Application Administrator. You also need to have access to Databricks Account Console. Databricks Account Console is our starting point. So we have to go here to Security and switch to the tab called User Provisioning. Here you'll have the ability to create an external connection, an external API identity provider synchronization, which is in our case Entra ID. So let's go to Setup User Provisioning. And we have to remember this token and URL. Don't worry, I will delete this afterwards. So it's okay to show it up. You need this information to set up your Entra ID Enterprise Application. Now, we're going to switch to Entra ID. And from the left side, we have to choose Enterprise Applications. And click New Application. From the App Gallery, we have to search for Databricks. And the one that we need is Azure Databricks SCIM Provisioning Connector, which is this one here. We'll have to provide here a name. I'm fine with the default one and click Create. And this is going to create my enterprise application. In the next step, we are going to use this information here to configure our enterprise application. It shouldn't take long, so the application is now created. You can find also here, if you search for it, if you search now for Databricks, you should also find it in this list. For that, we need to go to Provisioning on the left side panel and Provisioning. We want to choose here Automatically. And here we need a couple of information. The first one is exactly the account SCIM URL. I'm going to copy this one and paste it in the first field. The second one is the secret token. I also paste it here, and now we are going to test the connection. Okay, let me check. It seems that the secret token was not copied, right? Okay, now it seems correct. And the test was succeeded. Great, I'm going to save the settings. And in the next step, we have to go back to our enterprise application. And on the left side, this time we are going to choose users and groups. Add user group, and here we can select our users. I'm going to choose this one, select, and click Assign. All right, now this user has been added here to this application, enterprise application. But we have to do one last thing. We have to go to the application again, to the provisioning, and this time, please click Start Provisioning. It might take some time until the user is synchronized. I believe it's around 40 minutes. Yes, so provisioning interval, it's 40 minutes. We'll come back when the user is synchronized. Okay, so we are back. Let's check our Databricks Account Console now. So we can go to user management. And now, as you can see here, we can find the new users that was synchronized automatically with Entra ID. What I can do from here, very simple. I can go to a workspace, to permission, and I can add permission for that user. I can select the permission type, this time is user, and click Save. And this is how you can synchronize users directly from Entra ID, and this automatically. Now that the provisioning was done successfully, I can go here and pause provisioning. The major benefit is when you use groups, because groups contains users. And if you add here the group instead of the user, that group will be synchronized to Account Console. And you can add here permission at the group level. This means that basically you have one single point of user management, and this is the Entra ID group. If you go to that group and add or remove users, this automatically will be synchronized here, and the permission will be added or moved accordingly. And this is what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this was useful for you, and until next time, enjoy Databricks.